Welcome back to another video, guys. Let's learn English using comprehensible input. Fill out this lockers. Skin age, put you on that like the reception. Cooked. Treatment and construction. A harness. Your goal, degrees Celsius, exponentially. Peripheral bridge. Start the word count and let's go. We just got this intake form. It just has like basic information like my name, my country, and all this stuff. So I'm gonna fill out this form and then hand it back to the receptionist. The receptionist is just at the desk when you walk in, and here there are two receptionists. But now I'm gonna fill this out and then we could go in. Right now we're in like the dressing room of Repic. This is the clinic we're at, the dermatology clinic, and dermatologists work here. So here you can wash your face and stuff. There are different cleansers, milk cleanser, foam cleanser, toner, moisturizer.
Are we supposed to wash our face?
I don't think so. I think that's at the end, but we put our stuff here in these lockers. There's a separate compartment for your shoes and then another for your bag and your jacket. And also they give you these slippers that are actually pretty comfortable. So far, I really like the vibe of this place. It is like really clean, minimalistic. I like it. This machine is really fancy.
Yeah. What do you think your skin's gonna be like?
My skin age? Maybe my age. The hydration is gonna be low. Oh, it's good?
I don't think. What is it? Does water play a factor in your skin hydration?
Did you see your QR code?
Yeah.
And what did it say?
It's not looking good.
So my skin age is 23 and I'm 23.
Please have a sit and wait for it.
Thank you. So yeah, my skin age is the same age as my real age, 23. You didn't see yours.
Yeah, I did, but mine's worse. Mine is, you can read it there.
The most important part of learning a language and the reason why everyone learns a language is to be able to speak the language. These videos help you with your listening, but how can you practice your speaking even more? You need to practice by shadowing. Shadowing is just repeating after a native English speaker to practice your pronunciation, your accent, and your confidence. And I've started making videos specifically just to practice those three things. So if you guys want to become more confident in English and become truly fluent, check out my Patreon in the description where I give you guys 3 new videos every week to practice your pronunciation, your accent, and most importantly, your confidence. I'll see you guys there. We are going to be learning English as I clean up my pronunciation, your accent, your rhythm, and your confidence. It was just a roundabout way of her politely trying to spare my feelings. The a-hole for giving all of my coworkers a different reason for why I have missing fingers, so I wouldn't take legal action. Down to he company-wide training on his behavior. He chooses not, but I was already so cranky. Okay, so we're in, I did so much shopping in Mushima, the jeans and 1 hoodie, how old are you?
So I'm 25 and my skin age is 30. 5-year difference.
It says Leon's skin age is 30 and he is 25. So his skin is 5 years older than he is. And then I'm 23 and my skin age is 23. And honestly, this is actually super cool. I've never done like a skin test or anything before, but pretty cool.
Yeah, it's cool stuff.
Yeah. And I think the reason my skin age is like my age is because I use tretinoin, and that like really helps like keep your skin like tight and like younger. And I kind of like put you on that like 5 years ago, but you've never used it. But I don't really use it that much anymore. I mainly just use it on my nose and my forehead, not really on my like cheeks or anything, but it's actually super interesting. And I thought my skin would be like super dry, but whatever they use to wash my face like moisturized it a lot.
My skin feels tight right now.
Yeah, my skin feels tight too, but it feels like moisturized as well. So over there are 2 consultation rooms, and then over there is the reception. And then here is the lobby or the waiting area. And it's really close to Gangnam Station, so it is really easy to get here. We just came from Hongdae all the way to Gangnam Station, and we just walked here, so it was really close. Yeah, it's pretty convenient, and it's my first like dermatologist thing I've ever done in my life, so it's pretty cool and interesting. And definitely Korea has like good skincare advice, so
Yeah, I think a lot of people come here just for
skincare
and stuff.
and like health. We'll see what they say about my skin at the consultation.
Ah,
You
cool.
old, dude. You're cooked. By the time you're like 40, you're gonna look 50.
But that's just the nature of being a man. So what's the verdict?
So the verdict is we're cooked. No, the verdict is we both have like super oily skin. They suggested some treatments that we're going to go with. I'm going to do like microneedling over my whole face to lower pores and oiliness. And Leon's going to do something similar as well. And we're about to do that. We just finished. But the most painful one for me was the one in the beginning, the fat thing.
Oh, I didn't get that.
That one, it was 37 degrees, that hot thing. And then the outside of it was 5 degrees. So,
Yeah.
and they like were putting a lot of pressure. That one hurt. The rest, the micro needles just felt like really weird. I mostly didn't feel it. And then
Yeah.
sometimes I would feel really like thin needles like hair.
The
But it
needles
was-
weren't bad. And the,
Yeah, no,
the
needles
laser
were
one
bad.
wasn't bad either. Did you do that one?
What laser?
Like it was like
What?
like a laser.
The first one. Oh, I thought that was needles. So we just finished our skincare treatment at Rapid Clinic. First of all, thank you to them. It was a great experience. They stayed later just for us, so really grateful for that. But this is where we were, Rapid Clinic. I would recommend this place. They did a whole scan of us, gave us our diagnosis, told us what we needed, and then they did it. Everyone there was really nice, and they speak good English. Thank you to the doctor and all the staff that worked there. And Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Let's go get something to eat. This truck is backing up into this building. So this building right here is under construction. So we have to let this guy back up first before we can go in. The guy on the road stopped traffic. Now we could go. This is like a Hyundai pop-up. And I guess this is the electrical component of a vehicle. The E&D architecture of a Hyundai vehicle. That's actually kind of cool. I saw this on the way there and I thought to myself, I kind of want to come and see this because it looked cool. But I guess these are all the electronics
I think it's just all the
Vehicle.
cables.
and like the
'Cause there's no battery.
modules and also the speakers. I think pretty much everything that's connected to electronics is here right now.
Yeah.
The touchscreen as well. But you would call this like all the cables that are together a harness, correct?
Yeah.
So the harness.
Dude, they got Ethernet on this thing.
Really?
Oh, it's for wireless something. I guess it connects to the internet.
This is really cool. I've never seen a vehicle's electronics. Well, honestly, it's not as much as I thought.
Yeah, but this is like...
But is that a battery?
yeah, that's the battery on the bottom.
It's an electric vehicle.
Oh.
Oh, look at that. I'm not sure if you can tell, but that bottom part is a big battery. So I guess this is an electric vehicle. And then I guess this is the vehicle.
Yeah.
So SDV test bed. So this is the vehicle. It's actually kind of nice. Dude, there are no side mirrors.
It's just cameras.
It's just a camera.
So how do you see? Screen's on the inside. Do you see that?
Oh, can you see that? The screen on the inside there. So you don't put the gas in here. Usually this is your fuel cap and you fuel your vehicle up from here. But here you plug in your power cable to charge. So you plug it in here. Cool.
Kind of looks like a Porsche from the back.
Yeah, it does look good. Honestly, it does look good.
Not released on the market.
Okay, cool.
But it's electric, right?
Yeah, electric.
I wonder if you could drive that thing. A/B test. Maybe this is like a concept vehicle, right? Oh, you
This is called study box.
study.
Box. Yeah.
Ah.
This is
This is just like a concept then, and eventually they'll build it for test. So then the vehicle drives itself.
yeah. That is self-driving system.
This would be a cool concept. Once like self-driving autonomous vehicles get like good enough and these can drive themselves, this would be kind of cool. So I guess this is like the future of car manufacturing now, like robotics.
It's pretty cool. Eh?
That's actually super cool.
And you think robots will replace you
Yeah, probably.
as the head of Volka English?
Probably. They probably could already.
Well, it's safer too, because I heard like batteries can be dangerous, right?
Oh yeah. Is it gonna remove the battery? Oh. Is it like a magnet?
Maybe like a clip or something.
So I guess this is probably what the assembly line of the future will look like. Yeah. Vision content.
Oh yeah. Well, should I go eat something?
Yeah. Yeah, let's bounce.
Oh my god.
Can we film, okay?
Okay.
Do you want to be in the video?
Yeah,
How long have you been learning English?
I'm learning English for 3 months.
3 months.
Through your video.
For 3 months.
3 months.
Your English is good.
Oh, no,
English
no, no.
is really good.
Shadowing.
Shadowing.
Your pronunciation, shadowing.
Okay, because your pronunciation is good.
I'm playing your video
Yeah.
and speaking, shadowing
Shadowing as I speak. That's good.
your
And
video. Yeah.
are you in university? Are you in school? Are you working?
I have my one business.
Oh, you have a business?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
I make a brand
Oh, you have a brand.
selling through the online.
Oh, like e-commerce.
Yeah, e-commerce.
You have an e-commerce
Yeah,
brand. What do you
correct.
sell?
I sell fungus serum.
Oh, fungus.
Fungus.
Fungus. Oh,
treatment.
fungus treatment.
Yeah.
Oh, that's really good. That's cool. That's really cool.
I know you come to Korea.
Yeah.
So I watching your video. You came to Korea.
Yeah.
So when you came to Hongdae, I want to go there.
Oh, okay.
So I want to looking for you, but I don't know where you are.
Yeah.
So I'm walking and you go.
I saw you look at me and I was like, maybe he recognizes me. You're going to be the first person that spoke on the video.
Big honor. Thank you.
I don't know. Some people, I think they maybe recognize me, but they never say anything. Maybe they're shy.
Yeah.
But if you ever do see me, be like Donghyuk and come and speak to me because I love speaking.
Yeah.
And if you wanted to speak and speak, I could speak with you.
Yeah.
I hope you continue studying because what is your goal for English? Like what is
For English,
like just to like travel or to speak with people or for business?
I really love traveling, so I want to make a foreign friend.
Mm-hmm.
So want to communicate what I want to say.
To meet people.
Yeah.
So you like connections and talking to people. Where do you want to travel? Like you have a country that you really want to go to?
I really want to go America and Canada.
And Canada. Canada is very nice.
Canada.
Where in
Canada?
Where in Canada?
Toronto.
Toronto is very popular, but also
Yeah.
I recommend going to British Columbia, Vancouver. I'm sure you've heard Vancouver, the mountains. That is the most beautiful part of Canada. Toronto, I've only been once, but Toronto is very nice too. They have like a lot to do, but Vancouver, I think the weather is better and like the mountains are so beautiful. Like it's so beautiful. Toronto is just a city. Vancouver, it's a city, but you have mountains. So beautiful. Like
I watching your video. Great nature. I think you love camping.
I do. Yeah.
The camping site very nice.
Have you been camping?
I don't have experience.
Is it popular in Korea to go camping?
Camping this year, camping is very popular, but after winter, popularity is going down. Going down.
Yeah, same in Canada. In Canada, spring to fall, but in winter, it's minus like 40 in Canada, minus 40 degrees Celsius. So you will freeze. You'll freeze to death. But have you traveled outside of Korea?
Yes. This year, I traveled Japan 8 times.
8 times.
8 times, and Vietnam 2 times, and China 5 times for a business.
Is it difficult to make like foreigner friends in Korea to speak English with? Are you part of any like speaking clubs for English?
I don't know this information, and I don't speak well, so I don't have a competition.
You speak well. You speak very well.
Confidence, no confidence. So I didn't trying that.
Confidence is the most important because I was learning Spanish. It was really, really, really hard for me to speak it. But once I started speaking it, I started learning like this, like exponentially. Once you start speaking, like hopefully after this, you have more confidence and just go speak to more like foreigners, especially like exchange students. Because I was an exchange student in Korea 3 years ago and I wanted to make friends with Koreans. And it was very hard. So I'm sure if you go maybe like Sinchon or Hongdae area, like, cause I went to Yonsei, so it was like around there. If you go there and you speak to some foreigners, it's really, really easy to make friends cause they want to be friends with you. I was in their shoes. They want to be friends with you. So if you do that, you can make a lot of friends. And even if it's just speaking maybe for 10 minutes, that's still good practice. But then they want to be your friend. Trust me.
Yeah, I will try that.
That's all that matters. I think that's really good. Like, but really, foreigners want to speak and want to meet like Koreans because maybe you can give them recommendations for food or restaurants or things to do, and then they can speak English to you. So it's a win-win. Like, no, it's really good. I've been in Korea 26 days. Almost a month, but I'm leaving soon. So I'm glad you stopped me and spoke to me. So thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
So shout out to our new friend. That was actually the first time someone has come up and spoke to me.
And you know what? When they stopped you, 2 other people were behind you, like videotaping that too.
Yeah, I know.
And I thought they were going to stay, but then they ended up leaving.
I kind of saw it in my peripheral visions. But if you guys see me, come stop me and talk to me because I love talking to you guys. And it doesn't have to be on camera. If you don't feel comfortable, we can just talk without the camera. But I'll ask you, can we film it? Just so other people people can see that it's okay to like come and talk to me.
Do
It's
it.
cool to practice English with you guys like live in person. So if you ever want to practice your English and you see me, stop me. In this lesson, I want you to shadow. But this intake form, I'm gonna fill out this form. There are 2 receptionists, but now stuff here in these lockers. My skin age is the same, kind of like put you on that like 5 years ago, but you there is the reception. Oh dude, you're cooked. By the time you're like have like super oily skin, they suggest skincare treatment at Repit Clinic. This building right here is under construction, so we have to let this guy cables that are together a harness, correct?
Yeah.
The future of car manufacturing, no, like robotic. Oh, like e-commerce.
Yeah, e-commerce.
You have an e-commerce.
Yeah.
Because what is like your goal for English? Like what, is it popular in Korea to go camping? Minus 40 degrees Celsius, so like this, like exponentially. Once you start speaking, that notices me, so I'm glad you stopped me and spoke to me. So I kind of saw it in my peripheral vision, so this corner of my eye.
And remember, guys, you will become fluent in English. Bye, guys.